How do you replace water supply line to a Miele dishwasher? Mice ate through it.
Hello, and thank you for using this service. I'll be helping you with your problem today. The water supply line for these Miele units actually has electonic solenoids and such built into them, which means that electrical runs through the middle of these water lines. To replace the water line, you need to turn the water/electrical off and disconnect it under the sink. Then the entire dishwasher must be uninstalled and laid down on its side. There are screws going into the bottom sheet metal panel below the dishwasher which you need to remove, I believe one in each corner for a total of 4. The bottom panel will come off and then you do all your repairs from below the dishwasher. Just follow the water line in and look where it connects as well as where the power wire plug into. Disconnect the hose and wires and push the hose out through the back of the dishwasher. Then just install the new hose in place of the old one. Hello again. I'm just following up because I haven't heard back from you and I see this question is still open. Is there anything else I can help you with?
Thanks for the answer. Can I replace the hose with a regular generic hose from, say, Home Depot?
You cannot, it must come from Miele.
Thanks. I had taken the damaged original hose off the machine at the solenoid is fine and new hose attached to it, and replaced it with a generic hose. It seems to work fine other than it doesn't have the special plastic mounting coil that it attaches it to the drain hose where it enters the back off the machine. But that's just a visual thing. Please explain, is it just because it's original equipment you want it replaced with original equipment? The hose price is $10 at Home Depot and $210 from Miele. I look forward to your answer. Thanks.
I just wasn't aware of anything that would fit and not worry about leaking, so you found something that works, then great.
Okay, great, thanks.
No problem.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.